Now, this is very important for us to understand. When Jesus came into our world, did Jesus have the attitude and the nature of Adam or of us? He had the fallen nature because he's an example of victory for us. Was Jesus tempted? Was he tempted like Adam was tempted, or was he tempted like we're tempted? The temptation of Adam was different than our temptation. We have this natural inclination, this natural pull towards sin. Jesus was tempted, the Bible says in Hebrews, in all points as we are. Otherwise, how could he be a faithful high priest, yet without sin? How could he be our high priest if he was tempted like Adam? We already know. That's what makes Jesus the second Adam. Adam was tempted in a garden without the natural inclination towards sin, and he fell because he chose. It was a rebellion. See, and that's what we're talking about. It's a rebellion. Jesus was not tempted in a garden. He was tempted in a desert. He had the same inclinations we have, yet he resisted. That's why he is such a great high priest for you and I. Because he overcame with the same tools that are in your box and mine. So you and I can't say, well, of course Jesus overcame. I mean, he was Jesus. He was unfallen. He didn't have that same nature. But why do you think Luke and Matthew go through all the genealogy of Jesus and give all the sordid history in his family tree? It's telling us he did have our DNA, and yet he overcame. Why even go through that? This is an important truth for us to understand. Does this make sense? That's why the second Adam is such a wonderful example for you and I.